I'm Brittany. Welcome to my crib, aka the Untamed Cycling Academy van tour. In the front of the van, we call this the living area. We have our kitchen, our living room, and our bedroom, all within 10 square feet of each other, probably. Living area, we have 2 swivel chairs, which makes it really convenient for sitting when it's not nice enough to sit outside. Swivel around. Unfortunately, they don't swivel when you're driving, but swivel around, recline. Above there, we have storage, so that's where we store our window covers. We have a table, other random stuff like shoes, recovery stuff, foam roller, collapsible. We have 2 fans in our van, one to pull air out above the kitchen and one to pull air in above the bedroom bed. We have 8 sets of lights to keep it well lit in here. It's really bright in the, when it's dark out. So then we have our kitchen area. Above the kitchen, we have these cabinets full of food. Not very organized, but when you have one food cabinet, it's a little difficult. We have a fruit basket, paper towel holder. Then we have our kitchen space. We have a full working sink. It's a little loud, but beggars can't be choosers. And then in here, we have these nice latches so they don't go flying open when we're driving. But silverware drawer, paper towels, just random silverware and junk drawer all in one. Then down here, we have our Goal Zero power unit, strong enough to power our Instant Pot and hot water plate heaters. These guys for coffee, tea in the morning, French press. In the back, we have our propane tanks stored back there. We have a propane stove that we can use. In the van, we have a carbon monoxide detector, so we can use this in the van or outside when it's nice. 2 burners, so it's super convenient, nice size. See if I can get this latched back up. There we go. And then we just have lots of extra shelf space, which we haven't filled yet, but I'm sure we will. Over here we have our cabinets with our kitchen stuff, bowls, plastic so they don't break, cups, plates, coffee mugs, extra storage for leftovers if we have them. Probably won't because our fridge is pretty small. And then other kitchen stuff down here, pots, pans. We have a little percolator coffee maker, teapot, tea kettle, and our fridge. It's pretty spacious, not the biggest, but fits what we need to fit, with a mini freezer. Haven't tested it out yet, but I want to try and put some ice cream there and see if it doesn't melt. And up here we have our bed. It is a short queen, so it's the width of a queen, a little bit shorter. We had to smush it some to get it to fit in. So it fits 2 people. And then above the bed, we have 2 cabinets to store clothing and towels and whatever you need when you're on the road in. And my favorite feature, so when you're living in a van, your kitchen is also your bathroom and your living room. And sometimes you need a mirror. So, a little fancy design. I designed this myself. The mirror folds down so you can use your mirror when you're brushing your teeth, getting ready in the morning, whatever you need to do. And just pop it back up. Put these little hooks over. And voila, and it doesn't bounce at all. So it's safe when you're driving. We decided for the interior to do these nice, they're just pine furring strips, stained nice and dark. We thought that would complement our light cabinets well. So Chris stained those all by himself. I'm very proud of him. And we had to cut them around all the corners. So our van is fully insulated, so it stays cool when it's hot, warm when it's cold out, as long as it's been warmed up. And for insulation behind the wood, we have 2-inch foam panels and spray foam in the cracks. So I think that wraps up the front. So now we're gonna head to the back and check out the garage.
Hi, my name is Christopher Schroeder. Welcome to the garage. So, this is probably our most proud thing in the van. So we designed this van around the idea of traveling to bike races. So it's not, meant to be lived in or anything like that. It's just meant to, all right, you go to a race, you're socially distanced, you got your bikes. So our thought was, all right, like what am I doing here? What kind of races are we feeling? And we thought, all right, well, we'll go to a gravel race, all right, we need some gravel bikes. What if I go to a stage race, we need a bunch more bikes. If I go to a gravel race and a stage race, I need a load of bikes. So we designed this. It's a 4-bike sliding rack, just going zigzag, one bike down, one bike out, one bike down. As you can see right now, we've just got our 2 Laufs on here for the time being. We're in Utah right now for the True Grit Gravel. So we have just our bikes. As you can see, they are absolutely disgusting in every single way. Sorry, Lauf, but is what it is. So we built this one pretty simply, just using some high quality wood, latches, and then my dad did the rest of the work. Oh, and Brittany helped.
That was a team effort.
This body bag right here is a collapsible building that Kinda sent us, because apparently in other sports like motocross, you rock up the parking lot and then your, I don't know, semi truck just turns into a building. So they sent us the building part of that, which is super fun and cool. If you can look in the back there, so the first thing you're gonna see is our big 20-gallon water tank. Cool. Next to it, we just kind of have like the van storage thing. Like it's just a tote. Right now I think we have like food and extra bottles in there, but back of the fridge, back of the cabinets, boring, boring, boring. Dog food, can't go anywhere without the puppers. Some van essentials, Kinda fanny pack. So then we were thinking, all right, storage wise, so we came up with this kind of shelf system. So up here we have a bunch of different little tote boxes. Each one is kind of like has a specific little like job or whatever. So like we got all of our tools. This is like extra tubes, sealant, chains, electronic stuff, chargers, extra computer. Looks like, yeah, we have an extra Brighton computer, extra Brighton chargers, a couple Brighton heart rate monitors, nutrition, and then we have this one, which is where I'll put my shoes when they aren't absolutely disgusting. So that's fun. And then since we always have to take the front wheels off our bikes, what we have in the back here is how we hang our wheels. Normally what we'll do if we're carrying with 4, or if we need more than 2 front wheels, is we have our Irwin wheel bags. So you can put 2 front wheels in each bag, so we can have 4 wheels hanging right here. Right now we just have the 2. We got some hooks for our limb helmets. I don't know why these were just hanging there like a fruit basket, but all right. So also when you're in here, you can kind of see like what the inside of the van that's not finished looks like. Because I mean, do people have finished garages at home? No, you leave your garage unfinished because that's just how it is. So this is like the foam we use to insulate. We use spray foam on the inside. And then all the wood is connected to these studs that we put up. You can kind of see our bed frame here. And all that good stuff. So we got this fancy little net there. We use this for all of our bike hardcore cleaning supplies. We got some whip wipe right there. We have another net over here for like the bike hardcore spray bottles. Not in there right now, but just so you know, we have storage for them. All right, I think that wraps it up. That's our van tour. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It massively helps the channel grow and it helps the team grow. Thank you guys so much.